Hello, welcome to Nancy's Chinese class. Today's class is for children. Okay, let's we start. It's very funny and interesting. Okay, how to pronounce this? Okay, I write it to you because we know he. We have this one. Just pronounce e. Just the e is the one. Okay, the next one. The next one is the R. R, we just count this. E, R. Okay, it's a 两匹马 R. Just two. How to pronounce this? And because we know car. Car. And the first tongue is R. 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 Okay, the next one, we just count the rabbit, 兔子. Okay, E, R, 三. Okay, 三, how to pronounce this? Because we know this, just C, we know this, and this an, just we pronounce ran. Okay, 四安三, 三, just 3. Okay, we just count it. E, R, 三, 三只小兔子. Okay. The next one, we just have 羊咩羊. Okay, 羊 we count number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4. How to pronounce this? Because we have this, just this one. Because we know this is C, we need this. And E, just to pronounce he. We need this part, and pronounce just like 四. 四. Okay, the next one is 五. Okay, 五 just 牛. Okay, 五头牛. How to pronounce this? Because this one have the same pronunciation. Just we know room. We have this part. And the third tongue just like so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa. Okay, just 五头牛. Okay, and we have this. We have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's we sing a song. Just we have this sound. Okay, how to sing about this? We just have 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just repeat it again. We just sing it again. Just okay. And 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, great. This is about the number songs. Okay. Okay, we just count these animals numbers. Okay, the first one, dog. How to say? Go. Okay, and how many go in this picture? Okay, we just count it. Okay, E. Can you find another one? No. Okay, just finish. Okay, E. Yeah, great job. 一只小狗. The next one. Okay, cat. We say 猫. How many 猫 in this picture? 猫. Okay, just count it. E. Still find another one. Okay, R. Okay, R. Yeah, 两只小猫. The next one. 牛. 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 Okay, how many 牛 in this picture? Because 牛 is biggest one in this picture. Okay, we just find it. Only one. Only one. We just say 一头牛. 一头牛. Okay, the next one, just the 咩咩咩羊 right? 羊 Okay, we just count number 羊 We have 一二三 and 四 Yeah, 四只羊 Okay, the next one, Okay, and we just chicken, so just count number. Maybe some students counted. Yeah, have a lot. Just 一二三四 and 五 Yeah, great job. It's 五只鸡 Okay, the next one just a rabbit. Okay, we just 兔子 Okay, how many 兔子 in this picture? Okay, we just count that. Okay, change the number, change the color. We have 一二 Finish? Oh no, just a black one. Okay, 三只小兔子 Okay, this one. The next one is horses. Okay, horses. How to say? 马 How many 马 in this picture? Okay, just count it. Just we have 一二 Only two. Okay, just finish it. 两匹马 Great job. This picture just about the castle. Okay, 城堡 Okay, we just find the same color and the same shape. Okay, and we just color them and count the number. Okay, the first one just find this. Find this. Okay, 红色的正方形 square. We say 正方形 Okay, we just find 一 Okay, this one R. Yes, we color it. This is R. And yeah, this one. We find it. 三 Great job. Can you find another one? Yes, we still have this. Okay, 四 Right? And we have 五 Yeah, great job. We have 五 Okay, just count is 五正方形五 The next one, we just have a triangle. We say 三角形 Okay, we have 一 and R 三 Yeah, okay, and still Okay, this one 四 Yes, great job. Just 四个三角形 Okay, the next one, we need green 绿色的 circle 圆形 Okay, we have this 一 I still have this one R Yes, R Okay, but some people think this No, because this is not a circle. Okay, we have R 两个圆形 The next one is 长方形 Okay, we need the blue one 蓝色的 Okay, find it 一二三 Yeah, great 三 Still find it Yes, 四 Great job 四 Okay, find another one Maybe 四 Okay, yeah, 四 is correct Okay Okay, some students think this one Maybe this one they just lack of black line Just like this Okay, just like this we still need this is the 正方形 Okay just lack of this Okay the next one purple we say 紫色 purple 半圆形 Okay, this one 一 and still have this I have R Yeah, okay, we need the purple 紫色的 change it Yeah, R. This is R. Yes. Finish. Some people think this. But this is not similar. It's a little longer. Okay, little longer. So we just 两个半圆形. Yeah, great job. Okay. The next one, we just find how many. Just there count the number. Okay. The first one is 袜子. Okay, this one. Socks, we say 袜子. We find 1 2 3 3只袜子. 4 Yeah, 4只袜子. Okay. Next one, shoes. We say 鞋子. Okay. Just count it. Just say 1 一只鞋子. 2 2只鞋子. 3 3只鞋子. Yeah, great job. Next one, just count this one. Gloves, we say 手套. Winter we use it. And we just count number 1 2 3 That's 3 3. Okay. Yeah, great job. The next one is earrings. Okay, repeat after me. 耳环. Very beautiful. 耳环. Okay, just have 1 2 3. Do you think this? Not similar, right? Just 3. Okay, we have 3只耳环. Okay, this is about count the number. Today we use the number and to play this game. Okay, the first we have go. The next one, yang. Okay, this one, 青蛙. 大象. 老虎. Okay. Okay, this one we have this number. Have a number. Okay, we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, who will become winner? Okay, we just said. Wow, who is the fattest? Okay, 大象第一名 number 1. 大象 1. 青蛙 2. 青蛙第二名 2. Okay, 老虎 3. 第三名 Okay, 小狗第四名 Okay, 羊第五名 Okay. Okay, and 第一名 still remember? 大象第一名 Yes. The next one, 青蛙第二名 Okay, and this one, 老虎第三名3 Okay, 小狗第四名4 Okay, next one, 羊第五名 Yay! High five! Okay, we finished today's lesson. We have learned the number. Still review it. 1 2 3 4 5 Yeah, great job. Okay, have a nice day. If you like my Chinese channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.